Disclaimer, I have a new piercing, so I will be talking weird. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, what's up, what's good? It's your girl Zay-La, and I'm back with another freaking video. Hey y'all. Hey y'all. You guys already know when y'all see me with a ball cap, y'all know what it's hitting for. Period. Before we get into this video, you guys already know what I'm about to say. I want you guys to like, comment, share. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already. But first and foremost, your girl got a lisp. I did it. We ain't even gonna talk about it. Y'all gonna see it in the 4th of July vlog. We are back with another Unice wig. Okay. Keep them coming, keep them coming. So this wig is the Unice 13x4 lace front wig for black women. I don't know why that was involved. 150% density. Y'all know what I mean. Deep wave wig, pre-plug natural hair wig. Alright. So in this video, we just gonna do a how to install your frontal with XeaRelle. Okay, like let's get back to the basics of how to install your frontal the XeaRelle way. Okay, period. This is our frontal, call a little deep. I think this is 24 inches. But yeah, I already have, it was pre-plucked. I kind of plucked a little more. Gave myself a side part. I know I just got rid of a middle. We're going to get right into it. So, I already have my cap glued down. What I've been doing lately is putting on like a double cap. Because I don't like when the back of my braids and stuff is out and all that. That's just ghetto. So, this cap goes right here. I'm using my Ghost Bond. But oh, let me tell y'all, Unice, okay? So they getting a little fancy on them. So they give you a comb, they give you a little Unice bag, they give you some lashes, they give you a wig cap, and they give you earrings now. Excuse me. I get earrings too. Let's put it on. Let's measure it. Measure your ears. You're gonna measure your ears. You're gonna measure your ears. I seen some people. Come on now. Let's look about right. Okay? Get him in. Part look fleekish. What is giving? Oh, hot. Yeah. In this video, we don't have an elastic band. Okay? I cannot find it. I'm freaking crying on the inside right now. But it's all good. We just gonna use a little silk head wrap. So yeah. This is given. This is where it's supposed to be. Throw your glue and dot. You're just gonna smear it out. Random hairs. Hate it. But yeah, we smearing it out. Smearing it out. Make sure you get all that glue off the comb. Y'all see how that look like that? Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna keep doing that. We're gonna go back in. We're gonna give some more dots. Wherever we feel like. Just dot it up. Just dot it up. It's alright. Just dot it up. Time for the grand finale. Y'all ready? This won't be no long video. Don't even worry about it. On behalf of Arrogante, we're gonna go in with 3. But this time we're gonna go all around the forehead, just one shot, because I don't got time. What we gonna do is Just cut a little bit of this lace off. This the side that matters to me. Okay, y'all, we got it on, but I don't really know if y'all know I never really like it when I freshly put it on. So you're just gonna take your comb and you're gonna press all the way on it, so that lace could be like, how you doing, glue? Nice to meet you. Right here is where we'll normally be the front two banded, but we don't have our band. So we just gonna hope that this little silk wrap, not even silk wrap, because I can't even find my silk wrap. We're gonna make this silk scarf into a silk wrap. Real thin and neat, how we need it. All right, y'all. Since this is laid down and this is not my elastic band, I think I'm gonna give it extra time. So I'm gonna go take a nap, because as I can tell, your girl looks really tired. It is, it's 12 in the afternoon. I've been up all, wow. Wow. It's 12. I'm thinking I'm about to tell y'all, oh, it's like 8 in the morning. It is 12 in the afternoon, 12:05 on the dot, and I haven't went to sleep yet. Wow. I'm still gonna go lay down. So whenever I wake back up, then we'll finish this video, take this off, cut out lace, little baby hairs, and I'm gonna show y'all the XeaRelle way. Period. Okay?
Many hours later.
Hey y'all, we back, okay? Your girl, ooh. Okay, anyways, your girl is fully energized, ready to lay this. I cracked my phone. I cracked my screen protector. I got all I know what the famous on. Y'all don't even want to know what time it is, but I'm gonna tell y'all anyway. It is 6:45, okay? 6:45. Last time I spoke to y'all, it was 12 in the afternoon, okay? I just finished my mother's hair because her birthday tomorrow, so now it's my turn. I took my my little silk headscarf off, and we just gonna cut this lace now. This list is crazy. Oh, so let me just talk to y'all about my piercing real quick. Y'all might hear it again in the vlog, but it's fine. I ain't gonna give y'all the deets because y'all really gonna see me getting my piercing in the next vlog. But the reason why I got this heavy lisp right now is because I had got it done or whatever, and then I had went back to them like, yo, I think the piercing y'all gave me is too small. And he like, oh my god, you right, it is too small. Like, my tongue was swollen, but the piercing balls was like going into my tongue, like because apparently I don't have a normal sized tongue, which is like, what's a normal sized tongue? And who are you to say that my tongue is not a normal size? But okay, so he gave me like a bigger piercing because the only size they had wasn't gonna fit for me, which was the first one I had, and this was the bigger one. So he like, you're gonna have to order. He told me what size to order, so I'm like, bet. Ordering it right off of Amazon, and that's what your girl did. I ordered Y'all think it's giving? I think it's giving a ratty. Oh, mamas. I need to get right up on that skin like that. Like that. Like that. Nah, I was really tired earlier. Was I boring in the beginning of this video? Was I boring, y'all? Because I think I didn't feel like I had this much energy when I was talking to y'all earlier. But it's all good. Let me pull some of that back because that's a lot going on right there. I ain't even gonna lie to you, cuz. Not cuz. Where you, sis? What is you talking about? So I had ordered a pack of glow-in-the-dark tongue piercings and nipple rings. So, but since I'm going to Brooklyn today, I sent it to my grandmother's house because it's gonna come tomorrow. So when the vlog start, I think I'm gonna start the vlog after I do my hair and makeup because I got a photo shoot today. So yeah, I think I'm gonna start the vlog today. Since y'all know we got plans and shit. But yeah, so in the vlog y'all get an update of my piercing or whatever. Oh, I'm excited. I think it's really just the lace for me, Unice. I really think it's always y'all for me. Did I tell y'all I love y'all? Unice. Did I tell y'all? Oh, it's giving. I gotta go put Crazy Glue on my nail because it's about to break, and I'm not going back to the nail salon no time soon. Cause I'm not paying for it. I don't got the money for it. Yo, my earring fell out earlier. Cause where's my earring? Okay. She said I bet. Okay, so let me see what this about over here. Let's see. Okay. Put the clamp back. It's always this side for me. Always. Always. I be loving how I do this. What? Do y'all see that? I really be finessing these. Zay-La the stylist. Shitting me. Shitting me and kidding me. Cut my ear now. Okay. Damn, my ear mad far up there. Oh my god. You sure this about to work? God damn. Oh, alright, we good. I think we good. Oh, I'm gonna have to cut more. Okay. Giving and we didn't even do nothing. Yeah, she on Period. She on. Alright, I gotta get my my hot comb. I think something wrong with my hot comb because when I was doing my mother hair, it just would not get hot. Like, I'm glad it was working for when I did mine earlier, but that's wrong. Never mind, y'all. This shit hot, hot. Ooh. Ooh. Love a flat frontal. Alright, let me get my baby hairs out. So, how do I want to do this? Like, do I want to do my signature little, alright, y'all already know my ear. That's it. Ooh. Okay. I'm going to cut my baby hairs all together, lay them down, tie them down, and then I'm going to do my face. And then that's really it. Like, we're going to come back for the final reveal. And I did a TikTok. Y'all know. Y'all already know your girl is getting into the transitions, the TikToks, the Instagram Reels. You feel me? Because we just hit 12K on IG. We at 10.5 on YT. Okay? Period. Don't play with her because she is not one of them. Well, I'm so ghetto. And I don't think this tongue pasting made it any better. I can't wait till like it's either fully healed or like I could switch my little bar around and everything. Cause like it feel weird now because this bar is too big. Like I could do that. I should be able to do that. Snake eye, they eyes are right on them. Like they not playing peekaboo and can you see me with their eyes. So why is my tongue doing that? I don't need side. I'm not doing sideburns on this side. No, I'll probably do a swoop right here. Oh, this hot. I was gonna do a middle with this, but y'all know the wig I just took off that y'all seen in the vlog before this. Which, if y'all ain't see that already, go check it out. Because that vlog was 50 minutes. I gave it to y'all in that vlog. Like, I gave y'all my all into that vlog. Literally. Y'all wanted longer vlogs? She delivered it. Period. And that's just that on that. That's on Mary Had a Little Lamb. Period. Nothing more, nothing less. I know that's right. All that. All that. I think this is fine. That's not even. But that means my part is real deep right now. Should I redo my part, y'all? I think I'm gonna redo my part. Well, I don't know, because that part looked like perfection. Y'all seen that. I'm gonna have to get this part like the other one if I'm gonna switch it. Nah. I'm not doing that. This part is perfect, bro. I want to do the ×2 baby hair, okay? So we're going to take a little bit of something from right here, right? Something from right here. Should I do one of those? Should I do one of those? And then do another one underneath? Like, should I do the ×2? Okay, y'all see how that go like that? I really wish I could talk to me to this. And then I take this right here. And then I do one of these. Nah, I don't like that. Nope. No Peru. Let's go back to the basics. See? This is why I can't try nothing new. This one, I think it's giving right here. Bro, it's still not even after I just did all of that. Alright, let me I got my scrunchie, so I just did it shorter than I normally do, so let's just hope, you know. Oh, I just put my AC in the window, y'all. Period. That's how you know it's summer. When you put the AC in the window, it's summer. Y'all already know I'm going in with my Lace in Place foaming gel. I'm gonna spray that on our hand real quick. Okay. I feel weird with no like sideburn this side, but I'm tired of doing sideburns on that side. It's not even showing. Boom. Just like that. Okay, you go this way. Boom. Yeah. Yeah, buddy. Bubbling like a big shot. Okay, so now let's talk through this one. Since this one was cute. This one was cute. This was cute. This got it. But now I'm be scared when it comes to this side. Should I do it going this way? Oh man, what did I just do? What did I just do? Y'all think it's work-wittable? Work-wittable? Y'all know what I mean. Y'all think it's work-wittable? I think it's work-wittable. Well, I could never cut everything at one cut because I'm always trying to be fancy and want to do and slant and zigga-zagga. Think about a little swoop, one of those. Oh, maybe it's too long. Whoa. Yeah, maybe you too long, mama. Let's pull you up off the face. Let's cut you just a little bit shorter. Probably like right here. You want to go for right here. Alright, huh? She could do that. She could do that. What is that? The rest of you? Come on, get off my finger, bro. I don't know why it's a whole gap right here and it's killing me, bro. Alright, I think we got it. Because you should have been tweezed. That's why. I don't know. Whatever. Okay. So the last thing I do before I normally put on my my elastic band, but we're gonna put on the silk head wrap. Take more of my little holding place and I just plop it on the edge of the frontal like that. So like it could really give it that melt. Cause if it's one thing it's gonna do, it's gonna melt my frontal, baby. It's gonna melt my frontal. Alrighty. She's tied down. Now I can't hear nothing. And we're gonna go do our face. So Zay-La will be right back with that big face, mamas. Okay, you guys. Period. Y'all already see what it's giving. I know your girl is ready. I'm here for it. I think I'm gonna leave a poofy probably today and tomorrow, whatever. But because I like the way this look. But so you guys, shout out to Unice for sending me another wig, because y'all already know they love your girl. Okay, so shout out to them for this video. But I have to head out and I have to start my weekly vlog. So you guys already know what I'm about to say. I want you guys to like, comment, share, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already. It's your girl Zay-La, and I'm out. Later.